Hello everyone. I hope that you all are fine. Yes, today we are going to study about flags of the world. Dear students, in this world many countries are there and each and every country has their own flags and the specific quality. So, today we will know that how much our flag means our country's flag is important. Why should we feel proud for our flag and who designed it and when? Those all the things we will come to know by reading of the chapter. So today it is a new chapter from your sorry in your Kadapi book, the chapter number 5th, and the name of the chapter is Flags of the World. Dear students, can you see? Yes. Now look at here. Look at the image. What is this? This is a Indian flag. Yes or no? Good. Now read it. Let's start it. Okay. So our national flag is important to us. We should always feel proud of it. It was designed by Pingali Venkat. Okay, an agriculture and freedom fighter. So, who designed it? This Indian flag. It designed means it is in three colors. Okay, can you see the colors? Yes. And later we will read the about the colors and what is the means quality of these colors. So first you remember that who designed this our flag. Now it designed Pingoli banker, and he was an agriculture and freedom fighter also. It was adopted as the national flag of India. As you know that what is our national flag? The tricolor flag. Yes or no? And what was the son? Na 22 July in 1947. Okay, good. Now we will discuss about these colors. Now first number is saffron. It stands for courage and sacrifice. Okay. The second one is white. It stands for truth and purity. White color stands for truth and purity. And last, in middle of the white one wheel is there. What is this? Blue wheel, and it stands for peace and progress. Got it, dear? Now last one is, which color is this? Tell me. Green. So, it stands for prosperity and energy. Got it, dear? Good. Now listen, dear students. This chapter is written in the form of a letter. ये लेटर की तरह ये चैप्टर को बताया गया है. And we can see this letter written by a small child named Ketan, and his writing written to his grandma. It means this chapter is a conversation between that grandchild and grandma through a letter. Okay, so let's read it. Dear grandma, how are you and grandpa? Yesterday I was reading a book, lovely book on the adventure of famous people. The book said Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. What his grandchild said that, dear grandma, yesterday night I was reading a book. What is the name of the book? Now, The Adventure of Famous People. And that book means he said Neil Armstrong was a man who who first time walk on the moon. And what he found, let's read it. Now he raised the American flag on the moon. First time on the moon means Chand pe. Who raised the American flag? Na Neil Armstrong. Dear students, these questions can come in your exam paper, so keep in your mind. Who raised the American flag first time on the moon? Not Neil Armstrong. A few pages later, I read Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first men to reach the top of Mount Everest. Then the grandchild, after means few, what he learned again? Nasar Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first men to reach the top of the Mount Everest. Okay, so Hillary took many photographs of the scenery and Sherpa Tenzing waving flags of Britain, the United Nations, and Nepal. What they did, na Hillary and Sherpa, what they did, na Hillary took many photographs of the scenery of Mount Everest, and Sherpa he waving means flags को waving कर रहे थे और British the United Nation of Nepal. Got it, dear? Now look, come to the next page. Dear students, you can see the image and the he was the sorry Neil Armstrong, okay, who walk on the moon, and here are two men. These are the Hillary means Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay. They they reached the Mount Everest first time. Okay, now come to the next page. I know every country has a unique flag of its own, but why are they so important? Who was asking? Now the grandchild was asking to his grandma. Do you have any interesting information on flags? He was also asking that grandma, do you have any information? आपके पास कुछ information है about interesting about flags? I am really looking for forward to your reply as well um, al- as always. I am sorry, your loving grandson Ketan. Then afterward, he was asking these two questions, and he stopped. He to means in his letter whatever he were writing. Now in by the, sorry, when the grandma got the letter from his grandchild, so that time he so what she replied, you can look here. Dear Ketan, I am happy to see that you are so eager to learn about flags. Grandma, what she was telling, that I am too much happy, मैं बहुत खुश हो that you are too much eager means आप सुख हो means flags के बारे में जानने के लिए. I have some interesting information to share with you. Then she said that yes, I have some interesting information to share with you. The first flags were flown in the 11th century to tell others that a piece of land belonged to someone. Means when the first flag raised or flown, it was in 11th century. Okay, and that time what that flag said, that flag said that a piece of land belonged to someone. Means first time our country was attacked by the British people. Okay, they ruled us. Yes or no? That time we were not in freedom. Means हमको स्वाधीन नहीं थे हम. हमारे देश में बहुत सारे ब्रिटिश शासक आए थे जो हमको बहुत शासन चलाते थे, हमको हमारे ऊपर बहुत ही अत्याचार किए थे. Okay, so when our first flag, when we got the freedom, and in 1947 we got, and when that first flag flown, it said that one piece is their piece of land belong to someone, means ये लैंड इससे बिलोंग्स करते हैं. ओके. ना टुडे फ्लैग्स आर नेशनल सिंबल. ये जो फ्लैग्स है ये क्या हो गया, नेशनल सिंबल्स हो गए, चिन्ह हो गए. फ्लैग्स शो दैट वी बिलोंग टू अ कम्युनिटी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और नेशन, एंड दैट वी शेयर बिलीफ्स, गोल्स एंड रूल्स. Can you draw our national flag? The grandma was telling that these flags made as a national symbol of our country, and it belongs to our community, okay, and organization or nation, and that we share beliefs, goals and rules. Got it, dear? Now you can draw our national flag. Each and every student, you before going to read this chapter, in your copy, please draw a national flag and color it. All countries use symbols which are important to them. Some of the symbols are even universal, that is, they have the same meaning all over the world. What is the meaning of universal? Universal means all over the world. Got it? Next is Next is the sun stands for unity and energy. Did you know that Japan is known as the land of the rising sun? Our sun is, means she was also telling to his grand um, child that sun is stands for unity और एनर्जी. मीन्स हमको एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है, सन से मिलती है. धूप अगर नहीं मिलोगे तो आपकी बॉडी को एनर्जी नहीं मिलेंगे ना. सो एंड शी वाज ऑल्सो मीन्स आस्किंग informed to him that Japan is known as the land of the rising sun. The sun symbol is used in its national flag. ये जो what see here, this flag is a symbol of Japan. Okay, got it? Next, the moon is another symbol that is found in flag. You, our moon is also a symbol of our country. No, not our country. Uh, see the flag, and later I will say the which country it belongs to this symbol. The moon is usually shown in a crescent shape. See, look at this shape, crescent means curved line shape. Okay, it is called crescent shape together with a star. The moon represents divinity. Look at the picture of the flag of Tunisia that I have sent. This is called Tunisia. Tunisia is a country which is in that country, that this symbol is for a national symbol. Okay, group groups of stars often mean energy. Did you know that the flag of the USA is called the Stars and Stripes? I hope you find this information interesting. I have also sent a few photographs for you to see the symbols of yourself. Dear students, look it. Here is another flag, and this symbols group of stars and the stripes. This symbol is for USA, means America. So, dear students, how many symbols of the countries you have learned today? Now, four: India, Japan, then Tunisia, and USA. So, your homework is draw four symbols as for national flag, and in your copy, and send it back to the WhatsApp group. And the remaining part we will do next day, next session. Thank you very much. Have a good day.